We'll guide you through how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and navigate to the workspace where you want to create the Gantt chart. Click on the Views option located at the top of your project space. Then, you'll see a Gantt option in the list of available views. Click on it to add the Gantt view to your project. Once the Gantt view is open, you'll want to start adding tasks that will appear on your chart. Click on the Add Task button to begin entering your tasks. As you input each task, make sure to set a start and end date. This is crucial because the Gantt chart is time-based and will visually display your task durations across the timeline. You can adjust these dates by dragging the edges of the taskbars directly on the Gantt chart. If you need to create dependencies between tasks, simply hover over a taskbar and drag a line to another task. This will indicate that one task must be completed before the next one begins. You can also customize your Gantt chart by using the filter and sort options to focus on specific tasks, or to organize them by priority or due date. Remember, you can zoom in or out on the timeline to get a better view of your project's schedule. This flexibility helps you manage your project more efficiently. Once your Gantt chart is set up, you can regularly update it as tasks progress or priorities change. And there you have it, a fully functional Gantt chart in ClickUp to help you keep track of your project timelines and dependencies. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.